Ground turkey vegetable soup is a healthy and flavorful dish that's perfect for a cozy weeknight dinner. It's a great way to get in your daily dose of veggies and protein. Here's a simple recipe to make ground turkey vegetable soup at home. Ingredients: 1 pound ground turkey, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 stalks celery, diced, 2 carrots, diced, 1 zucchini, diced, 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes, 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper, to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Instructions: in a large pot, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the ground turkey and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until browned. Add the diced onion and minced garlic to the pot and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Add the diced celery, carrots, and zucchini to the pot and stir well to combine with the turkey and onion mixture. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth and add the can of diced tomatoes, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded together. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve the ground turkey vegetable soup hot with a slice of crusty bread or crackers. Enjoy your delicious and healthy ground turkey vegetable soup.